Hello, ladies and gentlemen, it's Mike here at Gamefromscratch, and if you're a regular to this channel, you know I try to keep you guys up to date, latest and greatest in the world of game development, and that includes deals and bundles. The thing is, around Black Friday, the deals start to get a little excessive, and we've got a ton of bundles going on right now. A number of these I have not reported on the channel, so what I'm going to do is get them all together. By the way, on Friday, I will also do a roundup of all of the best Black Friday deals out there, because frankly, this is the time of year where you get the best prices on everything. But if you head on over to Humble, plus we got a couple on Gumroad at the very end, there is something like 10 bundles going on right now. So I'm going to show you what is available out there, and then you get an idea if there's something you want to go ahead and pick up. Now, the first one we've got here is the GameDev Market's Best of 2025 2D and Audio Asset Bundle. This one is redeemed on the GameDev Marketplace. As you can see, it's got a ton of 2D things like 16-bit sprites. You've got backgrounds. You've even got some hexagon style tiles here. People have said, why aren't there more 2D bundles? And quite frankly, I think the rise of Gen I made these things a little bit less popular. So you don't see too many 2D bundles out there anymore, but if you're looking up to pick up some sprites, that is exactly what you're getting in this particular bundle. So that is the GameDev Best of 2025 2D and Audio Asset Bundle. But the thing is, there is also the Game Creator Mega Bundle Volume 2. Same concept, but much bigger. This is 137 items. This is on the itch.io store where you redeem this. It is from a variety of different creators. Some of these things are for visual novels. Some of these are tile sets or sprite sets for creating tile map games. Some of these are sprite visual effects packs. So if you need explosions or particle systems with like 2D flipbook style. We got a number of like isometric style tile packs, a number of music packs in here as well, and then a number of different sprite packs. These are for Diablo-style games and so on. So if you're looking for some sprite-based or 2D packs, there are two of them right now, which again is fairly rare. You don't see this very often. So you've got two bundles right now on Humble specifically aimed at 2D game developers. We also have the Super Weapons Pack. This one is from Superhive, redeemed on Superhive, and the idea behind this one is weapons. So if you need stylized weapons, regular weapons, weapon accessories, weapon animations, guns and more guns, various different props, knives, bullets, accessories for weapons, and so on. That is what this pack is all about. A ton of gun and weapon-related assets here from Superhive. After that, we've got the Black Friday Mega Game Dev Bundle. This is from Leartes. We got a couple more from Leartes later on. If you're more interested in getting for Unity, for Unreal, or for Godot individually, stay tuned for those. Those are probably a better bundle for you. But this one here has a ton of environment assets and so on. You can see the game engine in question here. So Unity, Unreal. We got a smattering of Godot in here as well. A lot of repeats from previous bundles, though. One of those things you want to be aware of. Make sure you don't already own what you're interested in. But a lot of times it comes down to, like, this is like $30 US. If there's one asset here, it makes the entire bundle worthwhile to pick up. Again, a lot of repeats from previous bundles, and you got a variety of different game engines covered here, and then some of the stuff at the bottom, it's more like single model filler and so on. So while there's 94 items there, a lot of this is filler, and you got a couple of tutorials in here as well, but a very large bundle there. And by the way, if you're interested, you can easily get things out of Unreal and into Unity, or from Unity into Godot, or Unreal to Godot, or whatever. I do have a variety of guides covering how to do that. I will link those down below as well if you're interested in checking that out. Then we've got the Learn Unreal bundle. This one is from Zenva. So if you want to get a number of courses for learning Unreal Engine, you can see these are a lot of them themed around making a particular game. So here, a tower defense or horror game or bullet hell game. Quite frankly, it's Zenva and GameDev TV seem to be the two best. You may notice there's another one. They actually have a bundle going on right now. I don't focus their stuff because of the use of slop AI, both in their advertising and in their content. So if you notice there's a bundle missing from this list, that's why I'm not recommending. I'm just not focusing it, not bringing attention to it. All right, next up we've got the Learn to Create Game Art in Blender. Now, as I mentioned, Zenva and GameDev TV, both you guys traditionally say pretty good stuff, pretty good quality there. If you want to learn Blender, GameDev TV have a course set here as well. A lot of this has been in previous bundles, just something to be aware of. But basically focused on Blender. We got some Blender to specific game engines, so Blender to Godot, or Blender to Unity, or Blender to Unreal in here as well. And then otherwise, it's mostly all courses on Blender. Again, GameDev TV tends to have quite good level content. Then we've got the Maksim Bugrimov 44 character pack. I got to point out, this one is going to end shortly. It's already been extended, so you have less than a week left to pick this one up. This one is characters, all kinds of characters. They say this as an Unreal engine, but it's not. You can use these in a variety of different engines. It's high quality stuff. So again, I don't know why they listed this one as Unreal only. There's also Unity projects available. And then the other thing that you'll find is, so actually, I believe they redeem on Fab and have versions for both anyways, downloadable. And again, you can export these out to other engines as well. Then on top of that, we have the Audio Apocalypse. This one is from Ovani Sound. I'm a big fan of Ovani stuff. I also got a couple of audio plugins here for playing specific music. Those are repeats. Ovani stuff tends to be first time only, so you don't have a lot of duplication, although this is one of the first times ever where there was actually duplication in here. The nice thing about Ovani stuff is it is geared towards game development. So for example, well, sound effects are literally just sound effects, but any of the soundtrack stuff, like this music pack here, for example, it will have multiple different levels of intensity, and then you can use these plugins or write your own to do it and switch between the intensity levels. So when you use these, it can actually ramp up. So if you've got a horror game, you can ramp up or slow down the intensity of the track as you're playing it. So they make really neat dynamic soundtracks there. Also high quality stuff. Always recommend Ovani stuff. So this is the Audio Apocalypse bundle. And then we've got Kit Bash. This is an encore, so it means it's already happened before. It is actually a single pack, which is this enchanted pack. It's also $30. And the other thing you'll find with Kit Bash stuff is it is very high. Like this is nanite level polygon counts there, but it's also very high quality. So some of the stuff is actually more aimed at film, so more so than it is aimed at games, but it can definitely be used in games, especially if you have a good LOD system in your engine, which most do these days. You can see all the various different aspects of items that make up this particular pack. So if you are looking for like a medieval or fantasy theme, you got a ton of things in this pack, but ultimately really it is a single tier, and that tier is this pack right here, and those are the contents of said pack. Then we've got the Epic Royalty-Free Music Collection Volume 3. Honestly, I have no experience with this creator, Joel Studler, or the quality of his work. Basically, it is just a bunch of music packs out there. I'm mostly including this one for thoroughness. And then we also have the massive Unreal Engine and Unity Asset Bundle. So this one is from Hivemind. I believe there's a couple of other creators in here as well. But basically, no, it might just be Hivemind across the board. This one is a combination of Unity and Unreal Engine environments. Good quality stuff. You can get a bunch of stuff. So you can get 57 items for $30. And again, this one is ending quite soon as well. So you only got 1 day left on this particular bundle if you want to pick that one up. And then, like I mentioned earlier on, there are a number of Leartes Studios bundles over on Gumroad running right now as well. The big thing about these Black Friday ones is don't look at this price right here, this $99.99, because what you want to do is use the code BF60 or BF60. That drops $60 off the price, makes all of these $39.99, which makes it much more palatable. And here you can see this one is 100% environments for the Godot game engine. So they are Godot native. They've got things broken out into individual scenes, so you can use aspects or modular into various different environments. So that is the one. Then we have the Unity version. This is 25 packs, same concept. Again, they can be exported between engines as well, but in this case, the nice thing is you can pick the pack specifically for your engine. Once again, use the code BF60. And then finally, we have this one here. This is the Unreal Engine. It is the biggest of them all, but it also, you'll notice coming down to the bottom, has more filler or single item packs in it. So it is probably more comparable for environments to the same size as the other packs we just mentioned. So ladies and gentlemen, we have a ton of bundles going on right now. And yeah, it's that time of year. They want all of your money. So if you have specific questions about a particular asset in here, let me know in the comments down below. I will dig into it. By the way, using any of my links does help support me, and thank you very much. So once again, stay tuned for on Friday. I will have more of an industry-wide, here are the best deals out there on Black Friday deal. It's going to have a repeat of a lot we just talked about here, but there's going to be so much more as well. So let me know what you think, and if you've got a suggestion or a deal that I should focus on, do let me know that in the comments or on the Game from Scratch Discord as well. All right, that's it. I will talk to you all later. Goodbye.